What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make some McDonald's French Fry ice cream rolls. This was requested by a subscriber a while back, and sorry it took me such a long time to make it, but let's try it. I guess we'll go with that one. I don't know if it's going to be too much here. Alright guys, what we have in here is cream and sweetened condensed milk. Alright guys, let's see if I can roll these. I can see how the little potato fries, oh man. French fries, whatever you want to call it. A little bit of whipped cream, guys. Little Hershey's caramel syrup. Throw a couple of that on there, huh? Stay on it, buddy. Alright guys, let's go ahead and give it a shot. I am not a fan. It's not bad, but I am not a fan. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and you guys have a great one.